All right, so we just pulled the washer and dryer from the wall. We are trying to assess the situation. Never done this before, so we found out that this one has, well, this washer has a pan with a drain. So we're going to have to take that pan out and then frame around all of this. So, wish us luck. It's about to get real.
So first thing is first, you got to take the baseboard out in order to get the tile up. So as you can see, Art is cutting out the baseboard, pulling it out using a crowbar to pull that away from the wall. And then we're going to use a chipper and start chipping at the grout and the tile to get all of it up. As you can see, the pieces of tile are coming out in full pieces. So once we got that chipper underneath, they started to come out very easily. So we're gonna try and get as much of the thin set off of the floor. As you can see, there is no hardy backer, so they just put thin set directly on the plywood. So we're gonna try and chip away as much as we can to make sure that our platform is as level as possible. So as you can see here, we took up as much as the thin set as we could. We did open up the drywall so we could see what was behind the wall as well. We don't want to be screwing into any of the pipes. So now that we know what is behind the wall, we're going to lay the bottom plates first, and then we're going to start framing the sides. So we're making sure we're reinforcing the sides because a lot of the weight is going to be sitting here, and we don't want our platform to be sinking in the middle. So we're going to make sure that those sides are very strong. So we're putting double of the 2x4s on each end, and then we're going to start creating our box. So on to the good part. So I went to Home Depot and I purchased a 3-drawer wall cabinet. The reason why I did this was because I don't know how to make cabinets, and I thought that this would save a lot of time and it would also look very polished. So we cut up the wall cabinet into 2 different drawers, the width that I wanted for my cabinets that are going to be underneath my platform, and then use that box and framed around it in our platform. So go ahead and keep watching and you'll see exactly what I mean. So now you can see what I was talking about. We used those cabinets, we slid it into the platform, and now we're going to frame around this box. Now taking 3/4 inch MDF, we're gonna go ahead and close up all of the gaps. So now we're gonna make it a very finished look. So this is not a necessary step that really needs to be taken. I just wanted to make sure I did it. I am basically putting a hole in the top of the lid. That way, if the washer does, for whatever reason, overflow and there is water, it is going to flow into that hole, into the drawer, instead of flowing all over the floor. So next you can see the struggle of us trying to get the top lid onto the platform. It kept hitting the drywall on my side, so we literally had to like pull it up and I had to cut the drywall to get it in. The struggle was real. So after about 30 minutes of struggling trying to get this top lid in, we finally did, and now it looks like one piece. Next from there, we primed the wall with our gray primer, and we painted the platform with just a regular white Kilt primer. You know, I do everything with this tricorn black. So I purchased some Sherwin-Williams paint in tricorn black, painted the wall. It's in a satin finish. And next we are going to hang some cabinets. Again, I purchased my cabinets from Home Depot. These are 36 by 30. And then I just used construction screws to try and get them up. You can see a technique that we are using. We just put a piece of board on the wall, made sure it's level. That way, when I'm holding them up, that is going to be carrying a lot of the weight. That way, Art can just screw in the cabinets. We are almost done. Those cabinets have been hung. The wood piece has been taken out. The wall's painted. The platform is painted white. And now we're laying the tile in front of our platform to make it look all finished and like it is a custom piece that came with the house. And this is the finished product. It came out amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this process. If you have any questions, please let me know. I will answer those questions as best as I can. I hope you guys like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.